Mushrooms can speak to each other in sentences up to 50 words, researcher says. We know that mushrooms are a hyper-intelligent plant species. Now research shows that they might actually have a language they communicate with each other in. A new study published last week in Royal Society Open Science shows mushrooms communicate messages to each other through an electrical language that bears an undeniable resemblance to patterns of human speech. Previous research shows that fungi emit electrical impulses through long, underground filamentous structures called hyphae, similar to how nerve cells transmit information in humans. This previous research shows that the firing rate of these mushroom impulses increases when the hyphae of wood-eating fungi come into contact with wooden blocks. But do these trains of electrical activity have anything in common with human language? Based on mathematical analysis, yes, but how? To investigate, Prof. Andrew Adamatsky at the University of the West of England's Unconventional Computing Laboratory in Bristol analyzed the patterns of electrical spikes generated by 4 species of fungi: enoki, split-gill, ghost, and caterpillar fungi. He conducted this analysis by inserting tiny electrodes into substrates colonized by the mushroom's mycelium. The research found that these spikes of electricity often clustered into trains of activity, resembling vocabularies of up to 50 words, and that the distribution of these fungal word lengths closely matched those of human languages. Split-gill mushrooms, which grow on decaying wood and whose fruiting bodies resemble undulating waves of tightly packed coral, generated the most complex sentences of all. Adamski suggests that the most likely reasons for the waves of electrical activity are to maintain the fungi's integrity the same way wolves howl to maintain the integrity of their pack. Other scientists would like to see more evidence before they're willing to accept this mycelial electricity as a language. Other types of pulsing behavior have been recorded in fungal networks, such as pulsing nutrient transport. It's believed this is possibly caused by rhythmic growth as fungi forage for food. There is also another option: they are saying nothing, he said. Propagating mycelium tips are electrically charged, and therefore, when the charged tips pass in a pair of differential electrodes, a spike in the potential difference is recorded. This new paper detects rhythmic patterns in electric signals of a similar frequency as the nutrient pulses we found, said Dan Beber, an associate professor of biosciences at the University of Exeter, and a member of the British Mycological Society's Fungal Biology Research Committee. Though interesting, the interpretation as language seems somewhat overenthusiastic, and would require far more research and testing of critical hypotheses before we see fungus on Google Translate. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for updated videos.